Hi, Grandma Bev here, Life with Grandma Bev, and today I'm going to open a new test tube box. I may be thinking, didn't she just open one? Yes, remember I had gotten, I did get a duplicate one, and the one had gone all the way down to Yuma, and by the time I got up here, I'd already gotten the replacement one, and so I just did a giveaway on that one. So we'll see what, I thought these were supposed to be bi-monthly, but maybe the time has flown by faster than I thought it did. Oh, is it the same? Let's hope this isn't the same thing. No, it's not. I saw Kimmy open one of these the other day, and looks like I got the same stuff, Kim. So I wanted to do this while my daughter's still here in case the same thing she wants. Let's see. Of course, you know, they've got... Is this ready to see what's possible? Trail and Spear of Patience. Oh, natural breast augmentation. Like we need this. And then there's Restylane. That sounds like it's something that's a filler. See it, feel it, believe it. A code for that. If anybody wants that, let me know. I don't want to. And then the test tube box says your summer essentials are here. Let's celebrate together. Celebrate summer together. We're already well into it. Get a taste of paradise with the editor curated products in our July test tube, which will leave you looking and feeling refreshed. Now, they didn't include descriptions, so I'm going to go look them up. There's the little thingy, QR thing or whatever. Are those dry enough? First thing in here is some kind of a towel, a hair wrap. And I doubt if I'm going to keep this. How big is it actually? Okay, so it's almost the size of a towel, regular towel. Soft. I don't know. I just don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. Michelle's still here. So would you like this? Feel how soft it is.
For hair?
It says it's a hair wrap, but
I've already got like 6 of those hair wraps.
Who says you have to use it for your hair?
I don't know.
It looks big enough to me to be a towel. So, if Michelle decides not to take it, you know where it will go. It'll go in a giveaway. So, that's that. And we have Tatcha, T-A-T-C-H-A, Kaito Red Silk Lipstick. Oh, that's right. This was that real expensive one made in Japan that Kim got. Would you think there's a lipstick in this size box? Take it out, and it's really attractive. It depends on how the color is. And it's in this little box. Real heavy, let me tell you. Nice little symbol on it. Nope, not my color. Really red. Is that your color, Michelle? Yeah. Yes. Well, sold. And I think, gosh, Kim said it was really expensive. So, I don't see anything else on here. So this one's been sold, ladies. Sorry. And then we have Restorative Treatment Mask by Alpha Keratin Virtue. Restorative Treatment Mask rebuilds, strengthens, and silkens. Interesting looking container. Directions after cleansing. Oh, hair. Remove excess water. Apply a generous amount, distributing evenly through the hair. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse well. Use weekly or as if needed. Well, I am using this. Kind of. The milk is not going anywhere. Oh, it's a weird feeling stuff, almost like a jelly. I might try that. My hair could use some help. Okay, and then we get to the the test tube. Is it upside down? It is. Pretty colors. Almost looks like another one we got. Oh, that one's got black on it up there. I've got them back up here behind me on my shelf. Oh. Okay. The first one is Scar Away, the solution for scars. Clear silicone scar sheets. Clear silicone scar sheets. It's used by hospitals, plastic surgeons, and burn centers. Prevents and treats scars, improves scar size, color, and texture. Each application lasts up to 10 days. It's a 2-month supply. So what you do, I think from when Kim was talking about, you have to use it right after you have the new thing. What's it say? Okay, here's the directions. Wash and dry the scar area. Peel off liner from adhesive side of sheet and apply adhesive side directly on the scar, overlapping at least a ½ inch. A softening of the scar may occur in just days with improvement in appearance and texture in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. So, for best results, you apply after the wound is closed or sutures have been removed. Each sheet lasts up to 10 days. Recommended treatment duration is 60 to 90 days. So this is, you'd have to get more of this stuff. Scars I have, I don't think they're going to repair them. And I don't plan on having any new ones. What about you? No, so this is going to go into a giveaway. Then we have Babe Lash Essential Serum Mini. Lash like a boss. I was a boss lash. It says get lush, longer looking lashes over time with award-winning essential serum. Pair with enhancing conditioner and the rest of the collection. Also, you gotta buy other stuff. Suggested use, apply to the top lash line in the evening on clean, dry skin. 1 dip of the wand is enough serum for both eyes. Once satisfied with results, use 2 to 3 times per week to maintain results. I'm not a lash person, obviously. I'm wearing glasses. Who's going to see my lashes? You want to? No. You guys. Then we have, oh, this was that pretty bottle. Isn't that pretty? I mean, I'll keep it for the bottle. It's plastic, but it's a different kind of plastic. This is a Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Color and heat protectant, paraben free. What's it for? A light reflecting hair oil mist for instantly smooth wow factor color and shine. Lightly mist under eye hair for mirror-like shine. Avoid contact with eyes. Made in Japan. Please recycle. No animal testing. But I like the bottle. Now tell me this is one you want.
I think you should use it. I think it'd be really good for your hair.
I am. That's what I was going to tell you. If you say you want it, it's like, too bad.
I mean, if you didn't want it, I wouldn't have taken it.
No,
but I think it'll be good for your hair.
Not a strong smell, but I want it for the bottle, especially. Then we have Repechage, R-E-P-E-C-H-A-G-E, Beauty from the Sea. It's Hydra-Medic Clear Complexion Drying Lotion. What's that mean? Like I can see it, read it. This amazing spot treatment with beta alpha, what about alpha beta? Hydroxy acids and other potent minerals work to help reduce the appearance of breakouts overnight. Shake well and dab on your areas of concern. I'm not going to use this. Of course, I say I don't get zits, and yet my nose right now. So, you guys.
I don't get zits.
No, I don't normally. And the last item is called, it's a rose, lavender, cypress, and sandalwood herbal hemp infused perfume oil roll-on. Okay, I might like this. Depends on the smell. Interesting. Want to try that? The face she made, that tells it all.
It smells like,
Herbal.
what's that stuff I don't like, though?
Not quite as strong as Vicks Vapor Rub, but I'll have to think about that one. So that's it, kids. Here's the box. When I edit this, I'll put the price. What y'all think? I think it was okay. I mean, I'm probably only keeping 2 items, well, 3 items if I count the one that I'm giving to Michelle. 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. That's not good. But I got the box. And what's funny is I haven't used a single box for anything. I mean, Michelle can tell you, I have so many boxes around here, but there's nothing in those. I mean, I just think the boxes are pretty. So, comment below. Share. Like if you like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope you're all having a great week. I love you all. Bye.